So I don't use AI that often in my video ads and stuff like that, but there is one example where I use AI quite often, and it works really, really well. So basically, with Facebook advertising and video in general, the first few seconds of the video, otherwise known as the hook, is the most important part. And this is typically the part that we test different variations of. Sometimes, you want to make a bit of a visual hook, something that's going to capture someone's attention. And if you haven't got that with the videos that you kind of have from the shoot or that the client's provided, then sometimes you have to get creative. And this is where I sometimes use a bit of AI. So I use a tool called Higgsfield AI, which is like an image and video generator. And what I've done here is created a visual hook for one of my ads, which I'll show you in a sec. So I started working with an estate agency, and I wanted to just test out a visual hook basically. So when I was working with another property client, we tested this exact same visual hook and it worked really well. And this is like basically a zoom in from the sky, and the zoom will basically end up where the client is in the start frame of the video. So all I need to do is upload a starter image and then like where I want the image to end. So I've screenshotted the first frame of the video, and then I've just said, cinematic zoom in, sky to end shot. So this is what it comes up with. It's pretty good. But what we do is essentially, then when I'm editing a video in CapCut, so this is the actual video that we took when we did the shoot. And then what I've done is bring that AI video in and I've sped it up massively. So it's like less than a second. And what that does is create a really nice visual hook. So I'll show you what that looks like now. Really simple, but that's going to capture someone's attention a lot more on an ad. And obviously I'm going to test it. We'll see whether that works well or not. But that's just one example of how I'm using AI to create Facebook ads and short form video in my business.